Everyone loves candy. That's a nice, quick and easy gift idea. You can just put a spin on it and make it your own. So I'm going to show you a couple of ideas. For our third last minute quick DIY gift ideas is a peppermint jar. What you will need, I have a mason jar here, some white deco mesh, and then I also have some red tulle, peppermints of course, and I have this ribbon. So this is like a peppermint printed ribbon from Dollar Tree, 5/8 inches in width. I have 3 pieces, 15 inches long, and 1 piece 13 inches long. And then I have 1.5 inch width red ribbon. It's really pretty. And I also have 3 pieces 15 inches long and 1 piece 13 inches long. 3/8 inch width ribbon as well. And you will also need the Badabra bow maker. Alright, let's get started. So like I said, I like having some sort of like stiffness at the bottom of my jar. That's why I like to use the deco mesh, but it still looks cute. So it has dual purposes. So just place it down there, and I'm actually going to place a few pieces of tulle on top of it. Give it that candy cane effect, just like that. And then I add my peppermints. And everyone loves peppermints. You can just, you know, place them in your purse or your pocket, and they're very beneficial. So this is always a nice gift idea. Peppermints also stimulate the brain. So that's an added bonus. I have them in here, nice and snug. I want to show you one option with placing like tulle in the top. So of course you don't want to just place the tulle on the top because it's not going to have much weight. A way to get around that, to take some of your candy and kind of wrap it in the tulle like that. So that gives it some weight. And you're able to kind of like fluff it out just like that. You do have the option of take all the tulle away and place the lid on it if you choose to do so. I'm going to take the bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down. And I'm actually going to take a piece of the 3/8 inch width ribbon. I didn't measure, just make sure it's enough to go around your entire jar. You don't have to do this step. You can always use the bow wire and tie it around the jar, but I just wanted to show you different options. Next, take your 13 inch long piece, fold it in half to find the center, fold and bring the front and the back up and place it down. And do the exact same thing with the peppermint piece. Fold in half and bring the front and the back up and place it down. Use your wand to help you scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. My red with the peppermint on top, and I'm going to flip it over and scrunch. Just like that. And make a loop. Take the other side and scrunch. And this is going to be a little difficult since my pieces are shorter. So I'm just going to actually scrunch it just like that. If your pieces are longer, then you won't have that issue. Or you can use the mini Badabra, but the only thing with that, the ribbon is so thick, so you kind of have to decide which you want to deal with. I don't think it's a big deal, so to go on and do the exact same thing with the other 2 sets. And then scrunch it just like that. And this is your chance to adjust it and maneuver it. Again, you can use satin ribbon, you can just use the peppermint ribbon. It's completely up to you. Okay, a nice scrunch. To take my bow wire, place the 2 open ends inside of the loop, hold my bow down and give it a nice tug. And I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times, just like that. And I'm going to kind of pull my tails downward some. It looks so cute and precious. And you can keep the bow like this, or you can like separate the pieces. I want to keep them stacked just because I think it's so precious. Again, if you want to make your bow wire long enough to tie around the mason jars, you can definitely do that, but I just wanted to show you another option. So I cut the excess bow wire, like about 4 or 5 inches, and I'm going to tie it in a knot, just like this, and place it in the center. You can tie it at the back, or you can just glue it. I'm actually just going to tie it for now. See, I have this extra bow that I placed. This is going to serve as my tie so that I can tie it to my mason jar. So I'm going to fold it in half, the fold at the top, the openings at the bottom, and cut at a diagonal, just like that. Take your jar and tie it in a knot. Just like that. So this looks so cute and precious, and there's the back with the tie, and I just think that looks so cute, the red and white. And again, you can leave this tool sticking out. You can place tissue paper right here to let it kind of stick out as extra decor, or you can take the lid and completely close it off altogether. So the possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own.